Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? It's your boy one more time coming at you. A lot of y'all know me as Orlando Star. Some people know me as Ray Gold, and other people worldwide. But it's your boy coming to you one more time. It's December 5th, December 5, 2021. It's a Sunday, yo. I wanted to do this quick little video. Many of you guys probably saw that video where, I was getting hemmed up by the local police department and the local sheriff department for whatever I was doing with a firearm. I don't really want to put myself out there right now. And, you know, if it was that, it's allegedly. Um, that's my disclaimer. I don't know what went on really. But here's the deal. Still facing this court time and still here in Putnam County, Florida, racist ass Putnam County, in their racist courthouse that they want me to go face possession of a firearm charges, something they shouldn't even be charging me with. The gun wasn't illegal, and I had every right to have it. And they're trying to violate my constitutional rights by saying I shouldn't have had it. But anyway, man, here we go one more time down a road of legalities and paperwork and statutes. Just wanted to make this quick video for all those people who are sitting up waiting on some sort of court case, pending court case, whether it's civil or criminal. These Anglo-Saxons, they come here to a piece of land that wasn't theirs in the first place, take over, steal and rob, pillage from everyone unethically, unmorally, violate every human rights violation known to man, woman, and child, pillage, rape, steal, hijack, kill, lie, go against every fundamental law of nature and righteousness. And here they are, 200, 300, 400 years later, laying down the law of what you and I cannot do. And there are no victims in our crimes. Our crimes are either against ourselves or against no one. And here they come with charges saying that I have no right to have a firearm because of some nonviolent offense that I committed over 20 years ago and received clemency. So here I am, 4 months into this right now, living day to day with anxiety and stress, leaving my future in their hands. I can't afford a private attorney, so I took the public defender, which basically is like getting a lawyer that works for the system. So they don't offer you any kind of reasonable plea bargain if you go with a public defender. The public defender is just there to act like he represents you, but he really works for them. So basically, the plea bargain is not really even a plea bargain. I could probably get a better deal if I go to trial. So now you have this in and out, day to day anxiety that you have to live with, all on the basis that they want to make a statute, not a law, but a statute that says that a convicted felon cannot have a firearm. Whether that convicted felon was given his rights back, received clemency, has an expungement, was pardoned, or was given forgiveness, still can't have it. Even if the gun is registered, not stolen, no crime, no body on the gun, just want to hem you up in the system. Why? Because the prison system is nothing but the penal system, and they receive money per inmate on a daily basis. And if you don't pay a private attorney and take that public defender, guess what? public defender works for the state anyway. You're going to wind up paying for that public defender with your time in the county penal system or the state prison system. You're going to wind up paying one way or another, regardless as to if anyone was hurt. No one was hurt in this case. No one was placed in danger. There was no harm done. Just simply a matter of you pretty much telling on yourself by allowing some cops to come into your premises without a warrant, do a illegal search and seizure, and that's it. You're going to wind up paying. So let me tell you something. There is no justice in this system. And the people who act like they're bringing justice and judicial, they're not just. They're not appointed by God. They're not appointed by any higher being to give orders. You just submit over yourself, your will, your person to them. Well, here we are, folks. Still here, trapped in the system. I would say, what, the 1500s, the first Europeans, the Portuguese. You always talk about the British, but it was the Portuguese that started this whole slavery thing. Handed it down to the Spaniards, then the Europeans, then the British. Here we are today, still slaves, still being shackled and thrown into prisons for no good reason at all. I can understand if people got hurt. Understand if people got robbed, pillaged, molested, raped. These are all the things that they have done to get to where they are. Now they're sitting up, not even laying down laws, but statutes, codes. And if you step out of line, you're paying. You're paying with your time, paying with your body, your mind, your spirit, your soul, your anguish, your wallet. Not only that, the frustration that it puts your family through, your children, your parents, your spouses. For what? Because some dumbass legislation group decides to make a dumbass law. Possession of a firearm, possession of ammunition, possession of a tear gas gun, possession of a stun gun, possession of a pellet rifle. Who are they to make laws and judge you based upon it? When is justice actually going to come to this earth? Sometimes I think God is for them. So I just wanted to make this short video for all those people out there who are going through this mental anguish, whether it's a court case, a civil court case where you're facing fines, or a criminal court case where you're facing fines and time, treading on thin eggs, thin shells, treading on thin water, thin ice. Don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, whether you're going to lose everything you own, whether you're going to lose your freedom, the right to see your children and your family, the right to go to work, all over some nonsense because some dickhead or a group of dickheads make a law that doesn't make any sense. It's not law, it's statute. Then you go into the courtroom and claim common law. They act like common law doesn't even exist anymore. You claim for your right, for a motion of a statement of particulars, questions you ask, not understanding the charges. They just railroad you into the fucking system. I'm tired, bro. I don't know what to do. Every day of my life for the past 4 months since I caught those charges, man, have been nothing but anguish because no one got hurt. No one got hurt. Not one person. No one was even in danger. The gun wasn't stolen, and here you are, thousands of dollars in bail money, confiscation of properties. Anybody can do this, and this can happen to any one of us. It can happen to you. It can happen to your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your children, your friends, your co-workers. It can happen to any one of us. You're a convicted felon, whether it happened 20, 30, 40 years ago. Say you're just a guy living in a place and your roommate or somebody next door to you has a possession of a gun. They can come get you. They can come get you for residing in premises where someone else had a gun. This is the world we live in. But the thing is, who are they to make these laws when they're the number one breakers of humanitarian laws over the past millennia, running into countries and nations and indigenous peoples, raping, pillaging, killing, murdering, conspiring, committing genocide. And they have the knack and the audacity to lay down laws called statutes, which you and I have to pay for. Sitting and waiting for a trial to be cast into a prison, to be cast into a cell, a jail, stripped of our freedoms, stripped of our rights, flooded with fines and probation time. When does it end? You can't end it. I can't end it. I don't even know how to begin to end it. Only a divine intervention would help it and end it. Just decided to put this out there because I know I'm not the only one. Waiting for a court time, then waiting for a court date, whether it's civil or criminal, it's no fun, bro. You don't know what your tomorrow is going to bring. So I feel you, and I empathize with you all. Pray for your boy. I'm facing 3 years behind this, homie. 3 years. Be peace. One, peace, love, happiness, soul. Pray for the divine intervention to come. Have faith that there's something out there to bring just to an unjust society. Peace.